Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can get promo codes for Uber Eats. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply add all the items in your cart in Uber Eats. Then with the promo code, just simply go to your browser, any browser to be specific. Then click on the search box, then search for ice coupons. So just simply click search, then open the first link, which is icecoupon.home. Open that. Now in there, just simply search for Uber Eats and you will find Uber Eats. Then just simply click on that. Now over here, what you have to do is just simply scroll down and you will find multiple coupons which you can use, as you can see over here. So what you have to do is just simply click on show coupon codes, because you have to complete few steps before actually getting the code. So what you have to do is just simply click on unlock code. Over there you will find few applications. So what you have to do is just simply download 2 or 3 applications and use for 30 seconds. And after you're done with that, the code should be visible. So let's download the first application. So for doing that, just simply click on free, then click on tap to install. Now click on get or download. After the installation process is complete, click on open. Now use the application for 30 seconds. Just simply click on random buttons or do anything, but the main thing is you have to stay for 30 seconds in that application. So let's spend some time in the application then. And after you're done spending 30 seconds on the application, just simply again go back to your browser and click on the second application, then tap on install. Then again just simply click on get, download or install, whichever you may see. And again just simply use the application for 30 seconds. So after waiting for 30 seconds on that application, just simply go back to home screen. Then again go to your browser or open a new tab and search again IC coupon. Go to the first link. Then again search for Uber Eats. Then again open the Uber Eats page. Scroll down and click on the coupon which you wanted the code of. Then click on show coupon code. And over there you will be able to see the code. So just simply copy the code and use it. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.